Hi there, I'm Darl, and welcome to Automatic Business. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable appointment email notifications for your contacts or users inside Go High Level. Let's dive right in. Now, in your Go High Level sub account, you can find calendars on the left hand menu. Select that, and then click on Calendar Settings. And then here, you'll see a list of all of the calendars for this account. I'm going to pick one, and I'll click Edit Calendar. And once inside the calendar settings, head straight to the notifications and additional options right there. Here you'll see a list of appointment notifications that you can set up for each appointment status. We have appointment booked status unconfirmed, appointment booked status confirmed, cancellation, reschedule, reminder, and follow up. Now, this is a great way to automatically notify users and contacts without having to build complex workflows and saves you a lot of time. Now, how do we edit a notification? For example, let's customize a notification for appointment book status confirmed. What you have to do is click on this pencil icon next to it, and then here you can enable or disable the notification if needed. Now, under email, choose who should receive the notification. For example, the contact. And then just by expanding that arrow right there, you would be able to customize the content of the email. Now I have this as my subject line and this as the body of my email. Now, automatically, Go High Level provides standard content with personalization fields like contact name, appointment title, appointment time, time zone, meeting location. If you want to create a template for you, you can definitely do that by creating this button right here. But if you have email templates designed, you can definitely just select your templates right here. If you don't have a template, that's not a problem. It will use the default content automatically. You can also send yourself a test email to see how it looks like. And I already did that prior to this video. So this is how it should look like. Now, as you have seen earlier, it has the same subject line, which has the business name, the title of the appointment, the day, date, and time, together with this generic email buddy or buddy, yes, email buddy that you've seen earlier. And then once you're happy with all of the information there, just hit on save. Next, you can also set up your in-app notifications for your team. Just click on this again, click in-app. By default, this will notify the assigned user through Go High Level's web or mobile app. Now, if you want to notify additional users, you can select them from here. And this is great if multiple team members need to be informed about this specific appointment. Once you're happy with these settings, click Save, and your notification preferences for this appointment status will be stored. Now you can repeat this process for all the other appointment statuses right here. For example, go to cancellation, enable the notification, and choose who should receive it. You can also customize the content as needed. And then if you're happy, just click on Save. Now, using these notification settings is an easy, intuitive way to keep your users and contacts informed about appointments, reminders, cancellations, or reschedules without having to build separate workflows. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.